Hello, welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to discuss exercise 3.5 from the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, so let us start now. And the first question is, which of the pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. And the first question is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, right? And b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 9, which is equal to 1 by 3. And c1 by c2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 2, which is equal to 3 by 2. So, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2, which means the lines are parallel. So, they don't have any solution. So, we got these pair of linear equations have no solution. Okay. Now, second one. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 8. So, we can write it as 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2, which means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. And what does this mean? It means that these lines are intersecting. That is, they have a unique solution. They have unique solution. And in the question, it is given that if they have unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So, we can write this as x, y, 1 and write the coefficients of x. That is 2, 3. Coefficients of x are 2, 3. That is a1 and a2 are 2 and 3. Then b1, b2 are 1 and 2. 1, 2. And c1, c2 are minus 5 and minus 8. Now, first write x and cross multiply this. 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. Then minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. It is equal to y by. When you take this y, don't take this column and multiply this in the reverse order. That is minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Then minus 2 into minus 8 is minus 16. So, minus 16, which is equal to 1 by, don't take this column and multiply this. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1 into 3 is 3. So, we have x by minus 8 plus 10, which is 2. So, x by 2 is equal to y by minus 15 plus 16. What is minus 15 plus 16? It is 1. It is equal to 1 by 1. That is 1. Now, equate this. X by 2 is equal to 1, which means x equal to 2. And y by 1 is equal to 1, which means y is equal to 1. So, the value of x is 2 and y is 1. Now, for this third one, 3x minus 5y equal to 20 and 6x minus 10y equal to 40. What is a1 here? 3 and a2 is 6. So, a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6 and it can be simplified as 1 by 2, right? And b1 by b2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now, what is c1 by c2? c1 by c2 is equal to 20 by 40, which is also equal to 1 by 2. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, the lines will coincide, right? That is, these two lines will pass through same points. All the points will be same, which means they are coincident, and when they are coincident, they will have infinitely many solutions. That is, all the points will be common for both the lines, which means they have infinitely many solutions. So this will have infinitely many solutions. That is, a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to b1 by b2, and that is equal to c1 by c2. Hence, this pair of linear equations will have infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now, for this fourth one, a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2? 1 by 3. And b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 3, which is equal to 1. 1 by 1. We can write it as 1 by 1. So, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, which means they will intersect at a point. Intersect at a point, and so they have unique solutions. That is one solution. They have unique solution, which means they have only one solution. Now we have to solve this by cross multiplication method. So for that, write x, y and 1 like this. Now a1 is 1, a2 is 3. Then b1 is minus 3 and b2 is minus 3. And c1 is minus 7 and c2 is minus 15. Now, when we are writing x, don't take this column and multiply in this order. That is, minus 3 into minus 15 is, minus 3 into minus 15 is plus 45. Then minus 7 into minus 3 is plus 21. So, we can write here 45 minus 21 is equal to y by, and when we are taking y, don't take this column, take these two, and in the multiply in the reverse order. So first we have to multiply this and then this. So here it is minus, okay. So minus 7 into 3 is minus 21, minus 1 into minus 15 is minus 15. Now is equal to 1 by, take these two columns. Don't take the last column. We have to take these two columns. So in this order itself we have to multiply. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Minus 9. Okay. So we have x by 45 minus 21 is 24 is equal to y by minus 21 plus 15. This is plus. Minus of minus is plus. Minus 21 plus 15 is minus 6 is equal to 1 by minus 3 plus 9, which is equal to 6. Minus 3 plus 9, which will be like 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. Now we can equate this. X by 24 is equal to 1 by 6. We can cross multiply. That is 6x equal to 24, which means x equal to 24 by 6, and that is equal to 4. So we got x as 4. Now we have to equate this. Y by minus 6 equal to 1 by 6, which means 6y equal to minus 6, and that means y equal to minus 6 by 6, which is equal to minus 1. So the solution is 4 minus 1. That is, we can write it as 4 minus 1 is the solution. The value of x here is 4 and value of y here is minus 1. So we can write x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1 is the solution of this pair of linear equations. Next question, for what values of a and b does this pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions? Infinite number of solutions means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. That is, the lines are coincident. That is, they will have infinite number of solutions. So here, what is a1 here? 2. And what is a2? A minus b is equal to b1. What is b1 here? 3. What is b2 here? a plus b is equal to C1, that is 7, by 3a plus b minus. Okay, now we can equate this. 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. So, cross multiplying we will get 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b, which means 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Now taking this 3a to the left hand side, we have 2a minus 3a, which is equal to minus a, and 2b plus 3b, which is plus 5b, is equal to 0. Now this means minus 5a is equal to minus 5b, that is a equal to 5b. So we got a equal to 5b. Now from this we have, if we equate this, that is we have to cross multiply. 3 into 3a plus, we can write first this. We can write this as 3 by a plus b is equal to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. When we cross multiply this, we will get 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 into a plus b. So 9a, it is 3 into 3a is 9a plus 3 into b is 3b. Then minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. Now taking this to the left hand side, we have 9a minus 7a is 2a and 3b minus 7b is minus 4b. Then minus 6 is equal to 0. And we know that a is equal to 5b. So instead of a, we can write 5b. So 2 into 5b minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. Which means 10b minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. That means 10b minus 4b is 6b. And when we take this to the right hand side, we will get is equal to plus 6. That is equal to 6. So b equal to 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. So we got b. Now what is a? A is equal to 5b, which is equal to 5 into 1, and that is equal to 5. So the value of a is 5 and b is 1. Next one, for which value of k will these equations have no solution? No solution means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. So 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 by k minus 1, which is not equal to 1 by 2k plus 1. Okay, we can equate this and this. So when we cross multiply this, we will get 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1 is 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Now taking this 2k to the left hand side, 3k minus 2k is k is equal to minus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 2. So the value of k is 2. Next one, solve this pair of linear equations by substitution method as well as elimination method. So first we will solve it by substitution method. So this is 1 and this is equation 2. Now from equation 2 we have 3x equal to 4 minus 2y. So x is equal to 4 minus 2y by 3. Now substitute this in equation 1. We will get 8 into 4 minus 2y by 3. For x we are substituting as 4 minus 2y by 3. So 8 into 4 minus 2y by 3 plus 5y is equal to 9. Which means 4 8s are 32 minus 2y into 8 is 16y by 3 plus 5y is equal to 9. Now for adding this we have to take LCM. LCM is 3. So multiplying 5y by 3 we will get that is 32 minus 16y plus 5y into 3 is 15y by 3 is equal to 9. Now 32 minus 16y plus 15y is minus y. So 32 minus y by 3 is equal to 9, which means 32 minus y is equal to 3 nines are 27. So 32 minus y is equal to 27 means minus y equal to 27 minus 32, which is equal to minus 5. So what is y? Y is equal to 5. So we got the value of y as 5. Now substitute that here. X is equal to 4 minus 2 into 5 by 3, which is equal to 4 minus 10 by 3, and that is equal to minus 6 by 3, which is equal to minus 2. So we got the value of x as minus 2 and y as 5. Now we can do this by cross multiplication method. Write x, y and 1 here. And when we take this, that is take the general form, that is 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. And 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. We have to change this to the general form of linear equation. Okay. Then only the sign will be correct. So write this a1, a2, b1, b2 and minus 9 minus 4. Okay. Now x by, take this column. Cross multiply in this order. So 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Then minus 9 into 2 is minus 9 into 2 is minus 18 is equal to y by, don't take this column, and multiply this in the reverse order, that is this order. First do this and then do this. So minus 9 into 3 is minus 27 minus 8 into minus 4, 4 8s are 32. And that is equal to 1 by, now multiply in this order. 16 minus 15. It is 16 minus 15. Okay. Now this is x by minus 20 plus 18 is minus 2. Minus 20 plus 18 is minus 2 is equal to y by minus 27 minus of minus 32 is plus 32. Minus 27 plus 32 is 5 is equal to 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. So we got x by minus 2 equal to y by 5 is equal to 1. Now equate this. X by minus 2 is equal to 1, which means x equal to minus 2, and y by 5 is equal to 1, which means y equal to 5. So the solution of this pair of linear equation is x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5, which we got by substitution method also. That is, we got the same answer by the substitution method. So our answer is correct. Next one, I will read the question. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days has to pay 1180 rupees as hostel charges. Okay, find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So, when a student A takes food for 20 days, he or she has to pay 1000 rupees, and when a student B takes food for 26 days, he or she has to pay 1180 rupees. So find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Okay. So let the fixed charge be x and cost of food per day be y. Now fixed charge plus 20 days. A takes food for 20 days. So 20 into charge per day. That is 20 into charge per day. Right? That is equal to 1000. That is A. The equation for A is x plus fixed charge plus charge for 20 days is 1000 rupees. That is y. Y is charge for food per day. So 20 into y is equal to 1000. Now equation for B is x plus 26y, right? So x plus 26y is equal to 1180. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we have got two equations which is a question. Now we have to solve by any of the algebraic methods. And in this we got x and x here. So we don't have to multiply by any number to eliminate this x. So subtracting this equation 1 from 2, we can write 2 minus 1. We will get x minus x is 0 and 26y minus 20y is 6y is equal to 1180 minus 1000 is 180, which means y is equal to 180 by 6 and that is equal to 30. So cost of food per day is 30 rupees. Okay. Now we can solve for x. X plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. That is, we can substitute for y here. Y is 30. So x plus 20 into 30 equal to 1000, which means x plus 600 is equal to 1000. So x equal to 1000 minus 600, which is equal to 400. That is, fixed charge is 400 rupees and cost of food per day is 30 rupees. Okay. Next question. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. Find the fraction. So, let x and y be the numerator and denominator of the fraction. When 1 is subtracted from the numerator, it becomes 1 by 3. So, x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. So, x by y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Now, from this we can cross multiply this. 3 into x minus 1 is equal to y, which means 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So, bringing this y to the left hand side and 3 to the right hand side, that is minus 3 to the right hand side, we will get 3x minus y is equal to 3. Let this be first equation. Okay. Now, x by y plus 8 equal to 1 by 4, which means cross multiplying we will get 4x equal to y plus 8. So, 4x minus y is equal to 8. This is equation 2. So, our first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 4x minus y is equal to 8. Now, subtracting this equation 2 from equation 1, we can eliminate y. So, 3x minus 4x is minus x and minus of minus y is minus y plus y, which is 0. So, we have eliminated y and it is equal to 3 minus 8, which is minus 5. So, what is x? X is equal to 5. Now, we can substitute in any of these equations. So, 3, if you are substituting in 1, we will get 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 3, which means 15 minus y is equal to 3. So, minus y is equal to 3 minus 15, which is equal to minus 12. So, what is y? Y is equal to 12. So, the fraction is 5 by 12. Now, we can verify this. If 1 is subtracted from the numerator, if 1 is subtracted from the numerator, it will become 4 by 12. That is 1 by 3. Correct. Right? Now, if 8 is added to the denominator, that is 5 by 12 plus 8 is 5 by 20, which is equal to 1 by 4. It is correct. So, the fraction is 5 by 12. So, after doing this, you have to verify whether it is correct also. Okay. Next question. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Let x and y be the number of correct answers and number of wrong answers. And given that he was given 3 marks for right answer and was deducted 1 mark for wrong answer. And with that he got 40 marks. Means 3x minus y is equal to 40. Now, if 4 marks were given for right answer and 2 marks were deducted for wrong answer, he would have scored 50 marks. Okay, so this is the equation. These are the two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, we can solve this by elimination method. Just multiply this by 2. So, what will we get? 6x minus 2y is equal to 80. Now, subtract this from this. So, 4x minus 6x is minus 2x and minus 2y minus of minus 2y is plus 2y, that is 0, is equal to 50 minus 80. 50 minus 80 is minus 30, which means x is equal to minus 30 by minus 2, which is equal to 15. So, the number of correct answers is 15 and we have to find y. For that, just substitute x in equation 1 or equation 2. So, substituting it in equation 1, we have 3 into 15 minus y is equal to 40, which means 45 minus y is equal to 40. So, minus y is equal to 40 minus 45, which is equal to minus 5. So, y is equal to 5. So, the number of wrong answers that he got is 5. Number of correct answers is 15 and number of wrong answers is 5. And the question is, how many questions were there in the test? So, how many questions were there in the test? 15 plus 5, which is equal to 20. Next one, places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If they travel in the same direction at different speeds, they will meet in 5 hours. And if they are traveling towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? So, places A and B are 100 kilometers apart. And let x be the speed of car that is traveling from A and y be the speed of car that is traveling from B. That is, first condition is they are traveling in same direction and they will reach the same point in 5 hours. So, let M be that point and they will meet this M in 5 hours. Okay. So, this much distance is 100 kilometer and one car is starting from A and reaching here and another car is starting from B and reaching here. At the same time they are starting and in 5 hours they will reach this M. Okay. So, let x be the speed of car starting from A and y be the speed of car starting from B. Now, car starting from A will travel, x is the speed and it will travel 5x kilometer, right, in 5 hours. So, it will travel 5x kilometers in 5 hours and it is said that this car from A is reaching M in 5 hours. So, this is 5x. This distance is 5x. Okay. Now, given that this car from B is reaching here in 5 hours. And what is the speed of B? It is 1. So, this distance is 5y because distance is equal to speed into time. And speed is y. So, time is 5 hours. So, this is 5y and here it is x. Speed is x and time is 5 hours. So, this distance is 5x. Now, from this AB is equal to AM minus BM, right? So this is 100 kilometers. So this 100 is equal to AM is 5x and BM is 5y. So we got 5x minus 5y. We can write this as 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. And dividing all these by 5, what will we get? X minus y is equal to 20. So let this be equation 1. Okay. So if they start from A and B at the same time and they reach a point in 5 hours, that is they reach the same point in 5 hours, their equation is x minus y is equal to 20. Now the second condition is A and B. They are starting, one car is starting from A and this is 100 kilometer. Okay. And one car is starting from A and reaching a point, and from B, another car starting from B and reaching this point. Let this be M again. They will meet in 1 hour. So this is this much kilometer, 1 hour. So in 1 hour it is reaching M. Car starting from A is reaching M in 1 hour. And what is the speed of car starting from A? It is x kilometer per hour. So it will reach, that is distance of this is 1x. That is it is reaching in 1 hour, which means distance is equal to speed into time. That is speed is x and time is 1, which means this is x. That is car starting from A will travel x kilometer in 1 hour. Now car starting from B, what is the speed of car starting from B? It is y. And it is reaching this in 1 hour. So this distance is y. And we know that this full distance is 100 kilometer, which means x plus y is equal to 100. This is the second equation. Now we can solve this and find x and y, right? So if we add this, we will get 2x is equal to 20 plus 100 is 120, which means x is equal to 120 by 2, which is equal to 60. So car starting from A is traveling at 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, now we can solve for y. That is x plus, we can substitute in any of these. We can substitute value of x in any of these equations. So 60 plus y is equal to 100, which means y is equal to 100 minus 60, and that is equal to 40. So 40 kilometer per hour is the speed of the car starting from B. Next one, the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. So the first condition is area of the rectangle. And what is area of a rectangle? It is length into breadth. So we can take L as the length and B as breadth. Okay. Now area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. What will happen to the area LB? It will get reduced by 9 square units. That is LB minus 9. And next condition is if we increase the length by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, that is increase breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. LB plus 67. Now we have to find the dimensions, that is we have to find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Now we can solve this. So multiplying this we have LB. First we can multiply all these by L, that is B plus 3 by L. So L into B is LB, then L into 3 is 3L, then minus 5 into B. is minus 5b, and minus 5 into plus 3 is minus 15 is equal to LB minus 9. Now, taking this to the left hand side, we have LB plus 3L minus 5B minus 15 minus LB plus 9 is equal to 0. Here, LB and minus LB will get cancelled, and we have 3L minus 5B minus 15 plus 9 is minus 6. Minus 6 is equal to 0. So, we can take it as 3L minus 5B is equal to 6. This is equation 1. Okay. Now, we can solve this. That is LB, we can expand this. So, LB plus 2L, then 3B plus 3B, then plus 3 into 2 is 6, which is equal to LB plus 67. Now, taking this to the left hand side, we have LB plus 2L plus 3B plus 6 minus LB minus 67 is equal to 0, which means LB and minus LB will get cancelled, and we have 2L plus 3B minus 61 is equal to 0, which means 2L plus 3B is equal to 61. This is equation 2. So, we have equation 1 as 3L minus 5B is equal to 6, and equation 2 as 2L plus 3B is equal to 61. Now, we can solve this by any of the methods, algebraic methods. So, let us solve it by cross multiplication method. So, we have L, B, 1, and we have to take this as minus 6 equal to 0. For cross multiplication, we have to do like that. So, L, B, 1, and then 3, minus 5, minus 6, 2, 3, and minus 61. Now, L by minus 5 into minus 61 is plus 305, minus of minus 6 into 3 is minus 18 is equal to B by, when we are taking this B, we should not take this column and take this in the reverse direction. So, minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, minus 61 into 3 is minus 183 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 is 9 minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Now, we have L by 305 plus 18, which is 323. L by 323 equal to B by minus 12 plus 183. So, 183 minus 12. It is same as 183 minus 12, which is 171. So, B by 171 is equal to 1 by 9 plus 10 is 19. Now, we can equate this. L by 323 equal to 1 by 19 means L is equal to 323 by 19. 19 into 17. 133 and 19. So, 323. Yes. So, this is equal to 17. Length is equal to 17, and B by 171 equal to 1 by 19 means B is equal to 171 by 19, which is equal to 9 nines are 81. So, 19 into 9, 171. So, 9. So, length of this rectangle is 17 centimeter, or it is units. So, length of the rectangle is 17 units and breadth is 9 units. Understood? So, we have finished doing questions from exercise 3.5, and we will do questions from exercise 3.6 in the next video. Thank you and bye.